In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a list in ActiveCampaign. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is log into your ActiveCampaign dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Contacts. This will open up more options for you. Now, right above that, you'll see a secondary menu pop up. Go ahead and click on Lists. This is where all the magic happens. Now that you're on the Lists page, you're ready to create your first list. In the top right corner of the page, you'll see a button that says Add a List. Click on that, and it will bring up a setup form. Don't worry, it's pretty straightforward. In this setup form, you need to fill out 3 required fields to get started. So let's go through each one of them. The first field is the list name. This is where you want to give it a clear and descriptive title. Think about what best describes what this list is for. For example, you could name it Newsletter Subscribers if you're gathering contacts for your newsletter, or New Leads if these are potential customers who have shown interest in your products or services. Having a clear title will make it easy for you to identify this list later. Next up, we have the list URL. In this section, please enter your company's main website URL or a relevant link to a landing page. This URL helps to identify the origin of the list, linking it back to where your subscribers signed up. Now, the third field is the list description. This is a great opportunity to write a brief note that reminds your subscribers why they are on this list. For instance, you could say, "You are receiving this email because you signed up for our weekly marketing tips." This keeps everything transparent and offers your subscribers clarity about the content they'll receive. Once you've filled out all 3 fields, take a moment to review your details to make sure everything looks right. If you're happy with what you see, you'll find the Add or Save button right there. Just click on it, and voila! Your new list will now appear on your dashboard. But we're not done just yet. Now that your list is created, it's ready for the next steps. You can start importing contacts that you've gathered elsewhere, link forms to start collecting new signups, or even attach it to automated workflows that you want to set up for your campaigns. Creating a list in ActiveCampaign is as simple as that. Remember, having organized lists makes your email marketing efforts more effective. So go ahead and use this feature to enhance your workflows. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more instructional content. Thanks for watching, and